Here's how to use the Morse top rim clamp. First, position the bottom jaw under the top rim and engage the top hook. Then tighten the drum holder and raise the drum slightly. Then fully secure the clamp. The clamp will now prevent a plastic drum from slipping lengthwise. To handle a 30-gallon drum, insert the diameter adapter and lower the clamp position. Again, tighten the holder around the drum, engage the clamp, and slightly lift the drum. And finally, make sure the clamp is secure. Now you have a much safer way to handle rimmed plastic drums.